Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
I wonder who left it here. Well, I guess... Don't do this! Huh?
Kita bisa terluka parah. Aku mencarimu kemana-mana.
Maaf, Rogi.
Aha, laugh it up. Real fun.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
I hereby dub thee Sir Tomica.
Changes? What kind of changes?
It's futile to resist change, man.
You're right, Fillmore.
My mama is right here.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! Me queen.
Oh, right. Wooden brake blocks. How could I forget? What with all the...
Why don't we just take a drive?
Nah.
be a lap down and we'll never win this race.
Rito, it's time.
White the wall tires. They say, look at me. Here I am.
You know, I'd love to see the rest of the town. So if you could just...
Under the back road, make new friends.
Yeah, I get it. It's just...
I knew you'd see it my way, buddy. McQueen and Sally, park beneath the tree. K-I-S-S.
When I started Miss Critters Racing School, and I can help you.
The engine.
He's gonna blow.
And everyone sure is peaceful.
Hey, losers! Rip that back!
There, right there, in the hood, right there.
Persistent little bugger for a two-cylinder. Finally, I said, all right.
Sorry! Go! Go!
¡Son tubos de escape!
You need is a sweet taste of my homemade organic fuel.
No, doesn't agree with my...
That Francesco is fine looking.
And those open wheels.
Ooh, I'm...
So, Mater, it's voice activated. But, you know, everything's voice activated these days.
Racing out there.
how'd you like to become the new face of Dinoco?
The piston cup. You know that? This grumpy old race car I know once told me something.
Hey, DJ, lay down some beats, man.
Con el corredor que ha creado todo un revuelo, Jackson Storm, otro gran triunfo contra el viento.
Toast, let's. I dedicate my win tomorrow to Miss Sally.
Oh, sorry, I already...
Absolutely, positively no idling. Are we clear?
Yeah.
Mater?
Yes, man.
Over everything. They fight over what Ferrari was the best Ferrari. Which one of